Hello, I'm in a 2011 Infiniti QX56, and today I'm going to show you to use the front and rear defrost. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, and then from here, this is your front defrost, this is your rear defrost, and when your front's activated, it's now controlled by your fan settings. So you can make it go faster or slower here for your front, and then you can adjust the temperature hotter or colder. And even if you have it very hot, you still might want the AC turned on, just because that AC can pull moisture out of the air, which keeps your glass from fogging up. And then for your rear, the way that works, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when you've got the rear defrost activated, it'll turn those on, and that should melt any ice that's building up. But when you're done with these, just turn them off here. And then often too, for these modes, you sometimes can have it set so, like, if you want heat blowing through there, you can have it in another mode where it'll also say blow heat onto your feet. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.